Hello students, here is another question. The angular speed of the truck wheel is increased from 900 rpm to 2460 rpm in 26 seconds. The number of revolutions by the truck wheel during this time is. So here we need to find the number of revolutions, and we are told to assume that the acceleration is uniform. So we know that the omega final is the rpm final into 2 pi by 60, correct? Which becomes 82 pi radians per second. So we have the angular speed in terms of radians per second, and the initial similarly will become 30 pi radians per second. Now we have the omega final and the omega initial, and we know the first law or the equation for relating the final and the initial velocities for a simple motion, which is a v minus u, v is equals to u plus at, correct? So this is the first equation that we have for motion, and over here we are just going to change the term, that is v is changed by omega f, u is changed by omega I, a is changed by alpha, and t is the same as time. And once we have those values, we are going to be putting in those values, because alpha we need to find in the 26 seconds duration, and the alpha comes out to be 2 pi radians per second square. Thank you.